Good morning dear students. So today we are going to start chapter number 2, which is teeth and microbes. So in this chapter what we are going to study? We are going to study about sets of teeth. So there are two sets of teeth. One is temporary and second is permanent. Then we will talk about kinds of teeth, which are of four kinds. One is incisor, second is canines, third is premolar and fourth is molar. Then we will talk about structure of tooth. Then we will talk about tooth decay. Then how to care of our teeth. Then we will study about microbes, which are of four kinds: bacteria, fungi, virus and protozoa. So let's start with our chapter. So dear students, teeth are very important part of our body because teeth give shape to our face. They help us to chew and bite the food and they help us to speak clearly, right? So there are two sets of teeth. One is temporary teeth and second is permanent teeth. So by the age of 3, the child has a set of 20 temporary teeth, and this set of teeth is also called milk teeth. So by the age of 6, the child starts losing these milk teeth and new teeth grow in their place and a new set of teeth is formed that is called permanent teeth. So temporary teeth are 20 in number and permanent teeth are 32 in number, right? So these are two sets of teeth. One is temporary teeth and second one is permanent teeth, right?
So this part is called upper jaw and this part is called lower jaw, right? So every adult person has a set of 32 teeth in his mouth, right? So 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. So a total of 32 teeth are present in our mouth, right?
So let's discuss the kinds of teeth. So there are four kinds of teeth. One is incisor, canines, premolars and molars, right? So what are incisor? 1, 2, 3, 4. These four front teeth are called incisor. These front four teeth are called incisor, right? So they have very sharp edges which help us to cut and bite our food. That's why incisors are also called cutting teeth. Next, canines. So there are two canines in each jaw. 1, 2, right? So in upper jaw there are two canines. Similarly in lower jaw there are two canines. So a total of 4 canines are present in our mouth, right? So they are very sharp and pointed. They help us to tear the food. So these are sharper and bigger in flesh-eating animals like lion and tiger. So next one is premolars. So there are 4 premolars in each jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So in each jaw there are 4 premolars. 4 in upper jaw. Similarly 4 in lower jaw. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 in upper jaw plus 4 in lower jaw makes 8. Right? So there are 8 premolars in our mouth. So they are broad and flat. They help us to crack and crush the food like nuts. That's why premolars are also called cracking teeth. Next one is molars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 molars in each jaw, right? Similarly 6 in lower jaw, right? So they are bigger and broader than these premolars. They help us to grind our food. That's why molars are also called grinding teeth. Let's discuss the structure of a tooth. So it has two main parts, crown and root, right? The part of the tooth which we can see, that is called crown, and the part of the tooth which we cannot see, that is called root, right? Now, this white part of the tooth is called enamel. This white part of the tooth is called enamel, and it is the hardest material present in our body, right? Then, inside this enamel, there is a dentine. This part is called dentine, which form the harder part of the tooth, right? And inside the dentine, there is a pulp. There is a pulp which consists of blood vessels and nerves, right? So this is about structure of the tooth.
Mom, where are you? What happened, Mohan? Look, Mom, I have another tooth broken. In the past few months, I have lost 3 teeth. Now, when I laugh, my face looks so funny. I do not want to look like this. Mohan, these are your milk teeth. After some time, you will get new and permanent teeth in place of your broken teeth. Friends, like Mohan, you must have also lost your milk teeth and got your new permanent teeth. You know that teeth are an important part of our body. They help us to chew and eat our food. They also help us to speak clearly. Do you know that a kid can have maximum 20 milk teeth? However, when he grows up, he will have maximum 32 permanent teeth. Let us learn more about our teeth. When you look at your teeth in the mirror, you will notice that the teeth in your mouth are of different shapes and sizes. We have 4 different types of teeth. Each type of teeth has a different purpose. Cut, tear, grind, and chew. Let us see the front 4 teeth in both the upper and lower jaws. They all are same in shape and have a sharp edge. They work like scissors to bite or cut food into small pieces. Hence they are called incisors. Look at the sharp pointed teeth located on both sides of incisors on each jaw. These are used to tear the food like a fork. They are called canines. They are 4 in number, 2 in each jaw. Next to each canine, there are 2 broad and flat teeth. They act as nutcracker and are used to grind and break the food into fine pieces. They are called premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. Look at the last 3 teeth on both sides of each jaw. On both sides of each jaw, the last 3 teeth are broader than the premolars. These are called molars. Their function is similar to the premolars, but they are used to grind the food further into a fine paste. We have in total 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. Now let us learn about the structure of a tooth. The body of a tooth is divided into 2 parts. The upper part is called crown, while the lower part is called root. The root is fixed in jaw and is hidden. The crown is made up of enamel, which is the hardest material in our body. Below the enamel, there is a bone-like material called cementum or dentine. Cementum helps to fix each jaw firmly into the jawbone. The center of the tooth is known as pulp. The root portion of each tooth is surrounded by the gums that also cover the jawbone. The pulp and gums have blood vessels and nerves.
Thank you everyone.